Welcome to my channel, English Conversation. 100 Essential Conversation Questions and Answers for Checking Out of a Hotel.
What time is checkout?
Checkout is at 12 p.m.
Can I check out late?
We can arrange late checkout for an additional fee.
How much is the late checkout fee?
It's $20 for late checkout until 2 p.m.
Where do I return the room key?
Please leave it at the front desk.
Can I get a receipt for my stay?
Yes, we'll email you a receipt or print one for you.
Is there any outstanding balance on my account?
No, everything has been paid.
Can I pay in cash for my stay?
Yes, you can pay in cash at the front desk.
Do I need to settle any extra charges?
Yes, there's a charge for room service.
Can you help me with my luggage?
Absolutely, a bellhop will assist you.
Is it possible to store my luggage after checkout?
Yes, we can store your luggage until you're ready to leave.
How do I settle the minibar charges?
The charges have been added to your room bill.
Can I check out now and continue using the hotel facilities?
Yes, you're welcome to use the facilities after checkout.
Can I get a taxi to the airport?
Yes, we can arrange a taxi for you.
How do I check out?
Just stop by the front desk, and we'll take care of everything.
Is there a shuttle to the airport?
Yes, we have a shuttle that departs every hour.
How long will the shuttle to the airport take?
It takes about 30 minutes to reach the airport.
Can I check out online?
Yes, you can check out through our website or the hotel app.
Will there be any additional charges on my credit card?
Only if there are additional room charges or damages.
How do I get my deposit back?
The deposit will be refunded to your credit card within 3 to 5 business days.
Is breakfast included in my stay?
Yes, breakfast is complimentary for all guests.
Can I have a copy of my bill?
Sure, we'll print it for you or send it via email.
Can I leave my key in the room to check out?
It's better to return the key at the front desk.
Is the payment I made at check-in final?
Yes, unless there are any additional charges.
Can I get a wake-up call before I check out?
Certainly, we'll arrange that for you.
How do I contact housekeeping for a final room inspection?
We'll notify housekeeping to check the room once you check out.
Will you need my credit card again when I check out?
Only if there are additional charges to settle.
Can I add a tip to my bill before checking out?
Yes, we can add a tip to your bill for any services.
Is the room safe checked during checkout?
It's good to check it yourself before leaving.
Can I pay with a different card when I check out?
Yes, you can change your payment method at checkout.
Do you offer express checkout?
Yes, just drop your key in the express checkout box.
Can I request a taxi when I check out?
Of course, we'll call one for you right away.
Can I leave feedback at checkout?
Yes, we'd love to hear your feedback.
How do I know if there are any extra charges?
We'll go over your bill with you at checkout.
What time do I need to vacate the room?
By 12 p.m., unless you have arranged late checkout.
Are there any penalties for late checkout?
Yes, late checkout without prior arrangement may result in a fee.
How much time do I have to leave after checking out?
You're welcome to use the facilities, but the room must be vacated by checkout time.
Can you send my bill to my email?
Yes, we'll email it to you.
Can I check out at any time of the day?
Yes, we have 24-hour checkout service.
How do I request an invoice in my company's name?
We can add your company information and issue an invoice.
Can I check out early?
Yes, you can check out early with no problem.
Will I be charged for an early checkout?
There's no fee unless it's a non-refundable reservation.
Is there a charge for using the business center after checkout?
No, it's complimentary for hotel guests even after checkout.
Can I leave my feedback online after checkout?
Yes, you can leave a review on our website or booking platform.
Is there a place to store my laptop after checkout?
Yes, we have secure luggage storage, including for electronics.
Do I need to inform the staff if I use the minibar?
No, we'll automatically charge for any minibar usage.
Can I keep my room key as a souvenir?
If it's a plastic key card, you're welcome to keep it.
How long does it take to get my security deposit back?
Typically 3 to 5 business days.
Will I be charged for any damages after I leave?
We will notify you if there are any damage charges.
How do I settle unpaid charges from my stay?
You can pay at the front desk with cash or card.
Can I request an airport shuttle at checkout?
Yes, we can schedule it for you.
Is there a fee for leaving the luggage after checkout?
No, luggage storage is complimentary for guests.
Can I still use the fitness center after checking out?
Yes, you're welcome to use the facilities.
What should I do if I forget something in the room?
Contact the hotel, and we'll assist in retrieving it.
Is there a fast checkout option?
Yes, we offer express checkout.
How long will it take to process my checkout?
Usually just a couple of minutes.
Will I be charged extra if I check out early?
No, unless it's a non-refundable booking.
Can I review my bill before checking out?
Yes, we'll provide an itemized bill for you to review.
Do I need to call the front desk before I leave?
It's not necessary, but we recommend stopping by.
Can I get a confirmation email after I check out?
Yes, we can send you a confirmation of your checkout.
Can I pay with a different card at checkout?
Yes, you can change the payment method.
Will my card be charged automatically when I check out?
Yes, unless you choose another payment method.
Can I split the bill at checkout?
Yes, we can split the charges between multiple cards.
What if I don't check out by the required time?
You may be charged for an extra day if you check out late without notice.
Do I need to sign anything when checking out?
Yes,